Hello guys, this is Alex. Welcome back to another Let's Play video. Today, we're back in Wii Sports Resort. No, it's Resort. Welcome back to Wii Sports Resort, and today I thought we could do some archery. And if we wind up having some more time, we're gonna do some more games. And I have again forgotten the nunchuck or however you pronunciate it. Okay, we got it now. Now we are attaching the, isn't it nunchuck or num? It's numchuck. Okay. For that side, let's move right ahead. One player. Yeah, this gets a bit annoying. You need to let's put it down on a flat surface. No, we're not playing as Austin. Have you forgotten Austin's name? Because he says he's the pro vlogger and that's his YouTube channel name, but he's not really a pro yet because he's not making money off of it, because you need to be living off of it to be a pro, but, you know, that's whatever floats his boat, you know? Okay. Let's do, not sure what that was, but I believe this is one level up. So let's see how good this is. How good I am. So basically, you just hit A, and then on the nunchuck, you hold on Z, and you can take the remote to make it go faster, and you just wait until it beeps, and that means it's gonna be not zoomed in all the way anymore. There we go. It's nice and simple 10, which is the best score you can get, and you have 3 arrows for each of these. 10 again. I love just watching that. It's so satisfying. Okay. We got an 8. Yeah. Okay, that's pretty good. 28. Not bad. Oh, I'll take that as a full score. Okay, so if you look up in the right hand corner, there we have 4 miles per hour of wind going left. At least to my left. And this is 20 yards, so we need to aim a little bit to the left, just a tad. So the wind. 8. Okay, that's okay, but I kind of want better than that. 9. Okay. I'll take that. We are getting really close to that 10, so let's see if we can get it. Not again. Okay, that's pretty good for this not being. I've played this once. I've always played beginner, so we're doing pretty good for being. I think this is Intel or something. It's what this level, what this difficulty is. Okay, whoops. I meant to let go of A. That was table. I wanted to look at the miles per hour, but so I'm just so used to letting go of Z. Okay, let's see if we can do any better. Okay, 7, 6. Okay, you need to aim it higher. This should be about right. Okay, we did a little better. 7. Okay, that's better. 70 so far. That's good. Wow. Okay, 2 miles per hour wind, 40 yards. I believe this is the last one. This is interesting. Four. Wow, I have to aim higher than that. It's absurd. Okay, no, that's too high. 4. Can we get a perfect 4? Okay, we need to be. There we go. 8. There we go. That's a lot better. 86. That is a pretty fine score, if I do say so myself. So we got 28 the first round, 26 the second round, 16. pretty good. Okay, 120 points. Okay, so mine is like the king of everything. It's crazy how good he is at like everything. Let's change the difficulty. Let's do export. Now I'm not really an export, but I'm close. I'm pretty close to an export adjusting the camera. Oh no, it's night time, so we're not going to call this too well. Okay. What? What in the world? There we go. 8. This is nuts. Okay, so we need to time it correctly. This is weird. This is so weird.
5.
Okay, this should be just about right. Just put moving in the piece of wood. Do you have another piece of wood? Okay, this is just weird. Talk about export. Okay. This level, this is really hard. This is nuts. This is really nuts. Okay, I gotta remember it's moving. Okay, so it's 9 miles per hour this way. It's higher and it's moving. So we need to just follow it. Okay, now 6. Okay, this is an okay score for being how hard this is. Oh my goodness, what in the universe is this? More wood. I hate wood. Especially in this game mode. Stupid wood. Okay, we gotta wait until it's about here. Okay, at least we hit it this time.
5.
This is absurd. One. Do you know how hard it is to get a 1? Do you? Wow, now we're in the volcano. I didn't even know this was a thing. Now this is an export. This is nuts. 6 miles per hour up. It's crazy. What in the universe is this? It's really echoey in here. And that's the best sound I had all day. It's so echoey in here. It's like a cave. Okay, it is moving.
4.
Keep on forgetting that. Okay, out here. We just need to follow it. Damn, that was terrible. Oh, well, again, a 1. Do you know how hard it is? Well, I guess I did it twice. So either I'm really good at it, or it's not that hard. How did Jeremiah get 71 points on this? Okay. I still have some time, so I guess we're going all wibbly wobbly, and I'm gonna show you how I can get my best score with the beginner. Cause I always play this one. Like, I don't know, I guess I like starting off. Okay. Need to sit back a bit. My toes are getting a little bit stressed or hot. Okay, let's just go in. So this is super easy. After how hard it's been, this is just too dumb easy. Just way too easy. I'm literally 10 feet away from it. This is just off. There you go. Perfect 30. Which is the best score you can get. Now we have some wind. Nine. Okay, let's see if I can beat my high score. I just need to be a little bit higher. There we go. Plumb in the center. Got my bow and arrow! Okay, that's pay attention. Need it about here. Oh! Smack! Do do do! Boom! 10! Okay, 40, 29, that's pretty good. That's really good if I do say so myself. Which I do. Okay. 9. I just know this stuff right before it says it. So we need a tiny bit higher. Okay, that was the timer. Too high. Too low, too high. Picky, picky, picky. And too high again. 999, 3 nines. I'll take that. Now for the final. This one is so hard. 7 miles per hour. Because it's just so weird. Okay, that's a lot. Okay, after doing those really hard ones, this one is so easy. So we're going backwards. I wouldn't say so easy, but it's a lot easier. This is like my best score on this level yet. This is like my best score ever. Sorry for the noise in the background. Okay, that's off. 6. I'll take a 6. I will take a 6. 109. New record. Yeah, that's a good way to end the episode. Beating your own record. Still, actually, we're only 9, 10. We're 7 away from beating Jeremiah's top score, which is like getting it almost perfect. So we did pretty good. I hope you all enjoyed this video. And also, quick fact before I end it: archery. I actually really like archery in real life. I just realized that. Can't believe I forgot that for the entire episode. But I hope you all enjoyed, and see you guys in the next episode. Bye!